Welcome to Learn and Create. Today we are on challenge 8. We are creating a function that will convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So let's get the formula first. How do we even convert Celsius to Fahrenheit? So for Fahrenheit is equal to the Celsius multiplied by 9 over 5 and plus 32. So plus 32. So our function will have to take in a value in Celsius and then perform this over here. This. So let's create so we're gonna take in C and then it's going to place that value. We're gonna place our answer in variable f. So let's go like function. Let's save. We're saying Celsius. Sorry. Celsius to Fahrenheit. Long name there. Then we're gonna take in C and value C. Then when it does that, we're going to create a variable f, which will perform this calculation for us. So open our brackets, C star 9 over 5 there. Then we're gonna add plus 32 over here. Then we're gonna say console dot log the value for f there. So let's save this. Console dot log f. Alright, it's fine. So let's save this. So Control S, save this, and let's call on our Celsius. So let's call on the function, and let's start with a variable. Let's start with 0. If we start with the 0 times this plus 32, the answer should be 32. So let's do the Celsius to Fahrenheit. Then we put 0. Let's see if this works. 7. Let's run this. Ooh, we got 32. That's correct. Let's change this. Let's try with 10. So 10 times this, 2 times 9, 18. 18 plus 32, this will give us 50. So now there, so let's save, control save, and let's run this. We expect 50 there. So yeah, we get 50. Now let's check for the solution that they have if it is similar to this. So I did check out their solution and it is a bit different. So this is how we did it. Then I just copied it over here so that we can make the changes and you can see how they worked it out. So instead of creating this variable over here and console looking like this is how they did it. It's sort of how they just did a return this like this over there, and we remove this, delete, and then after this, control Z, sorry, I deleted that back. Then here for calling the function, now they created a variable r. Let's just put a variable r is equal to this, and then we will say console, then console dot log r. And so when it's 10, so this is how they did it. Control save, let's save it, and let's run it. It's 50, so it's a different way. So we can just look at the two, and as you can see, the calculation is the same, but the approach now that's the one that's a bit different, but we get the answer. So thank you, me too. And the next one,